Hello, bonjour and welcome to my channel. My name is Prashant and in today's class I'll tell you how to ask someone how they are doing in French. Now there are formal and informal ways of asking someone how they are in French. We'll look at the formal way first. First, as you all know, we say bonjour, which is hello, followed by we say comment allez-vous or vous allez bien, which means how are you. So what response you can get? You can get a response like je vais bien merci, which means I am good, thanks, or je vais bien merci et vous. Now this je vais bien merci et vous means I'm good, thanks. What about you? Now how would you respond to et vous? You would say je vais bien aussi, or bien merci, or très bien merci. Okay, so this was the formal way. Now let's come to the informal way. In the informal way, we first say salute, then followed by comment ça va ou ça va, which means how is it going, how are you. It means the same, there's no difference. What response you can get? You can get a response like ça va bien merci, which means I'm doing good, thanks. Et toi, which means what about you? I'm doing good, what about you? How would you respond to this? Et toi, you would say ça va également bien, bien merci ou très bien merci. Now, there are cases when the person may say that he's not doing okay, he's not good. How would he say? He would say je ne vais pas bien, which is the formal way, and ça ne va pas bien, which is the informal way. So that is it for today. Hope you've understood and I hope you know the difference between the formal and informal way of asking how are you in French. For today, hope you have learned something from this lesson. If you like the video, then please put a like. Also share it. And also consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. I'll meet you in a new class. Au revoir. Bye bye.